Canada. Well, congratulations. The trucker convoy that is up in Canada has now gone global, as people in Australia are now doing the trucker thing. Justin Trudeau flees the capital as soon as the trucker convoy rolled in. And now there's unsubstantiated reports that Justin Trudeau has COVID. A lot of people are saying that no, he doesn't, he's just hiding. So this is going to be a super quick one. I'm just going to say, you go, Canada. You keep that trucker convoy going, and you let people know that there's some people that still want to fight for their personal autonomy and personal freedoms. And of those people that create mandates to try to hold the people down, it ain't going to work, man. People want their freedom, and we're too used to it here. All right. I'm going to finish smoking my bowl, and I'll catch you fuckers later. Stay high, bitches.